Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this very simple, beautiful, is it a breakfast? I suppose so, but it could be used for lunch or dinner. Eggs, tomato and mushrooms. So I'm starting off with some olive oil, but you can change that oil if you want. And we're on an above medium heat. We're adding 1 cup of chopped onion and about a tablespoon of sliced or chopped garlic. We're going to let that go for about 4 minutes. We're then going to be adding in 3 cups of fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato, it really helps because we want them to really break down. We're going to add some salt and some black pepper to taste, and then we're going to let this go for around 5 or 6 minutes. Like I say, we'll be stirring fairly often, want them to break down the tomatoes. And as you can see right there, they've kind of broken right down to a kind of beautiful mush. It's where we want them. A teaspoon for me of cumin powder and chili powder, but you could change that. And about 2 cups of fresh mushrooms. You can see how I've cut them. That's about 200 grams in weight. Again, we're going to go for about another 5 or so minutes on this above medium heat, stirring fairly often. You can see that the mushrooms have reduced down. I've now got 4 eggs. I mean, that's what I'm using. You can make it more eggy if you want. Add a couple more, but 4 eggs is fine for me. And I like my eggs fairly well done. So we're going to just stay on this heat and just stir, stir, stir until you get your eggs to exactly where you want. In my case, it's going to take about 3 or 4 minutes. And that's it, job done. I'm happy about there. Really, really simple. Like I say, breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's a great little snack thing. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And if you do like what you've just seen, please do take time to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment or subscribe. See you later.